Hi friends, this is your friend Israeli Mass Concept. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to construct angle 60 degrees and 30 degrees. How do we construct angle 60 degrees and 30 degrees? Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Israeli Mass Concept so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Alright, this video is gonna be short. I want to show you how to construct angles 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So before I proceed with my construction, there are some instruments that will enable us to make this construction a deal. And one of those instruments, once you have your mathematical set, as I have here with me, inside this mathematical set, you will see what we call your pair of compass. Then you also have your ruler, and also you have your protractor and your pencil and your eraser. Your eraser will enable you to clean your errors or mistakes based on your trace. Then also the pair of compass will enable you to draw your arc of any length you want. Your ruler enables you to draw your straight line or your sides, and your protractor enables you to measure the angles respectively. All right, we want to know how to construct angles 60 degrees and 30 degrees. It is very simple. Let's go into the geometry. All right, the first thing to do is to draw a line of any length. Of course, this ruler is measured in centimeter, so I may choose to draw a straight line of any length. Maybe I choose 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. All right. Now I call this point, I call it point A, and I call this other point B. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is, remember I want to construct angle 60. The next thing I'm going to do is to locate a particular point in this straight line AB. Maybe at this point, I locate a point here, and I call it point P. So I now have 3 points, A, B, and P. All right. At this point P, I now have to put the sharp edge of my pair of compass at this point P. Make sure it's quite located on the point you are talking about, that is point P. Then I now draw, I extend my pair of compass to a certain radius of my choice. I prefer using this radius, but if you really want to increase the radius, no problem. But this radius is also okay. Then I now draw an arc of this form. Then I will now come to this very straight line. I cut the arc I draw. All right. Then I bring out my pair of compass. Then this very point where this arc could cut AB, let me call it point C. So the next thing I will do is that I will put my pair of compass, the sharp point of this pair of compass, on this point C. Then I now cut this already drawn arc. So when I cut this already drawn arc, the points that two of these very arc meet, we call it point of intersection. Let me assume that this point of intersection, I call it point D. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put my ruler, so my ruler touching this very point D and also this very point P. Then I draw a straight line. So after I've drawn my straight line, you will notice that this very place is angle 60 degrees. So if you want to know if you are correct based on that this very place, the construction you made is angle 60 degree, just put your protractor. This protractor, place the very perpendicular dissector of this very protractor at this point P. So when you put it in this point P, then this protractor ranges in 10 degrees. So here is 10 degree, here is 20 degree, Here is 30 degree. Here is 40. Here is 50. Then here is 60 degree. So you can see that from this very point to this very point is the angle 60 degree in quotes. Hence, this is the easiest way to construct your angle 60 degrees. Then the next thing we want to look into is how to construct your angle 30 degrees. To construct your angle 30 degrees is very simple, and that is to bisect this angle 60 degree. The term bisection means to divide this angle 60 degree into two equal parts so that you have 30 degrees respectively. And how do we do so? At this very point C and this very point D, we are going to put our pair of compass on this point C and extend my pair of compass to a certain radius. Then I draw an arc. Then pulling it out, I also put it on the point D. Then I cut the arc that I've drawn already. So there is a point of intersection where these two arcs could meet, and that is this point of intersection. So I may call it point E. All right, the next thing I will do is to position my ruler at this point E and also on this point P. So when I position my ruler on this point E and on this point P, I draw a straight line. I draw a straight line. Hence, from this very point to this very point is your angle 30 degree. And also from this point to this point also is your angle 30 degrees. All right, thank you for viewing. Actually, what we've done today is to construct angle 60 degrees and also angle 30 degrees. Remember, after you've constructed your angle 60 degrees and you bisect your angle 60 into two equal parts, so you automatically have angle 30 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Thank you for viewing. Follow me on Facebook on Israeli Online Mass Concept and also on my YouTube channel at Israeli Mass Concept so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. In our next class, we are going to talk about how to construct angle 45 degrees and other angles respectively. Thank you for watching. Remember to share this video to your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for viewing and see you next time. God bless you.